Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 72 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the 1/8 scale madmax car from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can be building this with me. Let's have a quick look through this week's magazine, see what we're going to be up to. Going to be continuing with the inner tub. So we've got the rear seat panel section today. Got some self-adhesive felt going on it. This is where it's going to be going in your Falcon. Nice, simple to follow instructions. Shows you how to get the bit out there, where to put stuff, how to put all the retaining plates in, etc. Little brackets there to assemble so that you can fit it onto this rear section there. And that's what it's going to look like at the end of this issue, folks. This big old tub there taking shape now as it goes up over the rear arches into where the boot section's going to be. You've then got some Ford Maverick concepts there in the history of Ford Falcon section. Mavericks or chameleons, it says there. It's a rather eccentric looking chopped roof there, isn't it? That's the Estate Coupe. It says it was a metallic lime green or lime fire green, a show only colour featuring real gold leaf. The interior was trimmed in avocado leather with plaid fabric inserts. Oh, that was of its time, folks, wasn't it? Yeah. So that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side. And when we come back, we'll start a bit of assembly for you. Right, let's pick this bit of felt off and get that all in situ for you. Flick the backing paper with me thumbnail. And see if we can start working this in place. Try and get that all along that nice edge there. Just like so. Here's what we want. Can now get these brackets in place with all PS18 screws, which are these ones at the back. So let's get a couple of those out of the way. And we want this bracket here. That one. Okay, that is what we want. We go upside down the way. And we want the left one there, and then the right one on the other side. Like so. So let's get the screws in that. Grab ourselves a little bit of oil. And we're going to start screwing them home. Just like that. Not fully homing it until the other side is in. I think there's a tinsy-wincy little bit of adjustment on there if you do need it, but you shouldn't do. There you go. That's that side done. Grab the next two screws. Just like that. Then we'll do the same on the other side now. so. Grab ourselves a screwdriver. Same again with this one. A little bit of oil. There you go. So that's that done, all the brackets in place. We can now spin this and start locating this in situ onto the rear floor. So let's grab a screw there. A PS05 is what we want. We then grab that and this, and it's going on these 4 posts, just like so. Okay, like that. And that join gets hidden then behind the rear seat unit. I can now put this screw in. I'm not fully tightening these until they're all in. Same process that I normally do. A little bit of oil. Give that a pinch. Grab that one. Like so. And then we'll spin that down. Come around the other side now. Now that the last one is going in, I can start tightening them up fully now. Just like so. That's fully tightened. So is that. So is that. So there you go, folks. That's that unit in now. Closes off that, and then you've got the seat section that'll go across the back end of that. So that's where we are today. So don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, pop over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building this with me. Also, to help me out, if you can remember to like, share, hype, and subscribe to the channel. Really does help the channel grow, keeps it alive and going for me, and I'm intensely grateful. In the meantime, stay safe and well. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks for keeping me company. Goodbye for now.